It's time to check your engine. If you're looking to replace the engine in your GSE tractor and you're not quite ready to make the switch to EV conversion, but you still need to meet emission standards, Sage Parts has your solution. Introducing the RAMPTECH Repower Pack drop-in conversion kit engineered by Sage. The RAMPTECH Repower Pack combines high-quality, reliable Duetz and GM components, and we provide the rest to create a seamless transition. The Repower Pack is easily mountable into most tractor engine compartments and effortlessly connects to create a cleaner burning machine backed by the full power of RAMPTECH. Equipped with a 3-way catalyst that will already meet EU Stage 5 and EPA Tier 4 standards without any additional add-ons. Our kit comes with everything you need to install it and get your tractor back in service, and our in-market tech support will be there to help you answer any questions you have along the way. The fully electronically controlled system ensures your new engine is running at maximum efficiency. Equipped with a maintenance-free valve train and a 3-year driveline warranty, Sage Parts is dedicated to keeping your GSE moving. Sage Parts, the global leader in GSE replacement parts. Visit sageparts.com or contact us to learn more about the Repower Pack conversion kit and how we can help you today.